888. Abundance, money, success, love, wisdom, and joy are manifesting into your life right now. Prosperity is your normal state of being, and you are living it right now. Type 888 if you believe. 555. You are going to be celebrating something very special soon. You will be so full of joy and so much happiness sharing your good news. It will almost seem out of this world how suddenly it all happened for you. Be ready for it, expect it, it's happening. Type 555 if you agree. 888. Number of the day. Before this week ends, your life will be flooded with so many blessings that you will leave your worries behind. You will learn how to enjoy life, manifest what is best for you. Are you ready? Type 555 if you agree with this, and also subscribe God's Manifesto. Thank you.